For me, it's a pleasure being here in Serbia, a market that is performing really well for LCV, for Fiat Professional, with the market share, as we can have seen, of 48.1%. In this nice occasion, that is the launch of the new Ducato, our brand hero, where we have put a lot of technology, a lot of investment in order to increase our market share, that I'm sure that here in Serbia we will be able to increase further our performances and our business in this important country.
I would like to say thank you to all my team that organized this very successful convention. I got some feedback from customers, I got some feedback from our dealers. They are satisfied, they are very impressed by the numbers we shown and also by the peculiarities of the new Ducato.